the light utility helicopter. HAL is extremely proud to present here in display its youngest and latest member of the growing helicopter family. A few minutes earlier, this was the aircraft that led that 15 aircraft helicopter Atmanirbhar formation. He's doing it. Salute to the dais. The display today is being performed by HAL Chief Test Pilot Wing Commander Unni Pillai along with Wing Commander Bambani. Wing Commander Unni has flown over 8,000 hours over 30 different types of flying machine, both fixed and rotary wing. He has been the CTP, the Chief Test Pilot of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, for over 14 years in his illustrious career spanning over 38 years both in Indian Air Force and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have the light utility helicopter right in front of us performing a unique helicopter maneuver, the pirouette. Wing Commander Unni Pillai is keeping the nose pointed to the center as he laterally traverses the circumference of that circle. A very deft maneuver. This demonstrates adequate control power, agility, and the extreme experience of the test pilot. Here they go and perform the extreme tail-up maneuver. Designing a helicopter for India's vast and varied terrain with its conflicting requirements is a daunting task. HAL lived up to this challenge, achieving it completely in-house in designing light utility helicopter. HAL therefore is capable of fully customizing this helicopter to any specific needs of any customer, civil or military, Indian or foreign. The light utility helicopter, after its operational clearance, has now entered the production phase. More than 1,000 of these helicopters are expected to be rolled out from the recently inaugurated Asia's largest helicopter factory in Tumkuru. The helicopter is now performing a few stall turns in front of us. Ladies and gentlemen, the LUH has completed its captivating display in front of us. The display today is more special as it happens to be the final display of HAL Chief Test Pilot Wing Commander Unni. He will be hanging his boots next month after a glorious career as a test pilot. Thank you very much, Wing Commander Unni, for your leadership. And ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm round of applause, wishing both the man and the machine good luck.